To transfer USDT Tether from your Safepal wallet to Binance, follow these steps. 1. Get the Binance deposit address, log into your Binance account. Navigate to wallet greater than fiat and spot, or the appropriate section for your account setup. Search for USDT and click deposit. Select the appropriate network, e.g. ERC20, BEP20, or TRC20. Make sure the network matches the one you'll use in your Safepal wallet. Copy the deposit address provided. 2. Open your Safepal wallet, launch the Safepal app and log into your wallet. 3. Locate your USDT, navigate to your USDT wallet within the Safepal app. 4. Initiate the transfer, click send, or equivalent option. Paste the Binance deposit address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. 5. Choose the correct network, select the network that matches the one you chose on Binance, ERC20, BEP20, TRC20, etc. Be cautious as transferring via the wrong network can result in a loss of funds. 6. Confirm and send review the transaction details, including fees. Confirm and authorize the transaction. You may need to use a PIN, biometric authentication, or a hardware device for approval. 7. Monitor the transaction. You can track the transaction in the Safepal app under Transaction History. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, it should appear in your Binance account under your USDT balance. Notes: network fees. Ensure you have enough of the native token, e.g. ETH for ERC20 or BNB for BEP20 to cover transaction fees. Double-check addresses. Ensure you paste the correct deposit address to avoid permanent loss of funds.